Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing from BRUU. This is a tea subscription from the UK, but they do ship internationally. And I got one of these last month and it was really fun, so can't wait to see what's inside. So, what's really fun about this is every month they have a Discover card about a different place, and there is a tea from there that matches. So that's the Discover tea. And then on the back of the card they give all sorts of information and facts and why they picked the tea, and it's really educational, so I think that's really fun. So this is a green, I always say this wrong. I like the red kind of this tea, but this is a green type, and I don't think I've ever had that before, so that's pretty cool. It's from the southern end of the Cedarburg Mountains, Western Cape, South Africa. Very cool. Yep, facts down here, soil type, so you get to learn like all about that country, and I love that. And the other teas in here are curated for whatever you filled out in your profile, and sometimes it gets jumbled around, but they come with these little adorable clips, and there's a little information pack clipped on there like that. So let's take a look. This one, oh, that's cute. It's got a little sloth on it. Lazy tea. This says it's a sweet, fresh spice combined with jasmine blossoms, apple pieces, lemongrass. So I bet that's pretty good. Last month there was a fruity cheesecake one, and it was amazing. Probably one of the favorite teas that I've had in a very long time. And so it tells you why they love it, where it's from, all sorts of information, and then the ingredients are listed at the bottom as well. This one is caffeine free. And then there's a little see-through thing on the back so you can see what it looks like. You can definitely see the big fruit pieces in there. I bet that one's going to be really good. Next one, Dimond Black. What that looks like is just a plain black tea. Let's see what it says. A luxurious Earl Grey black tea kissed with flowers. Black tea, mallow blossoms, and a natural bergamot flavor. I love those little cards. And the last one, Very Berry. I do like the berry fruity teas, so I think I'm going to like this one. It's a green tea with fresh berries. This one has lots in here. There's even rose petals, freeze-dried strawberry pieces, freeze-dried yogurt. Pretty interesting. And then we also have freeze-dried whole blackberries and raspberries, and it does contain sugar, it says. There's little purple pieces in there. That's really pretty. So we got that. And then, ooh, so last month I got a little like chocolate bar, and this time they sent olives. I love that. And I said that last time too. I love anytime they throw food in with a subscription. So, is it safe to assume these are green olives, or am I just thinking that because it's green, the package is? Natural olives. I don't know, but I love olives, so I'll definitely eat them. That's fun to me. So you always get a little snack. There's 3 different teas that go with your profile that you fill out when you join. And then you get one of the Discover teas that give you all sorts of information about a particular location. So super, super fun. Like I said, it is based out of the UK, but they do ship international. So I will put all their information below, and thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.